Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making these awesome paper rings. You will need paper, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and glue. First, measure and draw strips along your pages. These should all be equal in length and as long as the page. Next, fold the pages in half so you have a fold line. Cut the pages along the fold line and then carefully use your scissors to cut out each of the strips. This takes some time, but just be patient and have fun. Once all your strips are cut out, loop them into rings and secure each ring with a little dab of glue. Once you have a long connected string of these loops, you are done. Well done on making your own paper ring decorations. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.